Hi everyone, welcome to Camille's Holistic Health Show. I'm Dr. Cam or Dr. Camille. Today we're going to talk about integrative approach to inflammation and chronic fatigue. And as we know, chronic fatigue affects millions of people around the world, but mainly women. Men do suffer from it too, but a lot of times women come with other chronic conditions or other symptoms that part of their chronic fatigue. And many doctors have a little problem of really getting to the underlying issue of going through their chronic fatigue syndrome and really getting to the root cause. But we're going to go into a couple of fantastic herbs. But first, I wanted to talk about some of the symptoms that comes with chronic fatigue. That's joint pain, headaches, low-grade fever, mood swings, sleep disorders, exhaustion and fatigue, chills, night sweats, depression, swollen lymph nodes, and cognitive confusion. Those are just a few of the symptoms that chronic fatigue does come with. Now we're going to go into 5 powerful herbs that really can help fight chronic fatigue syndrome. Number 1, that's St. John's wort, and this is a wild plant that has been used medicinally for centuries and is commonly used to alleviate depression, because depression often comes with or is a sign or a symptom with chronic fatigue syndrome. So this is definitely a herb to consider. It comes in capsule form. It also comes in tincture form. And since it's very powerful, it does have certain types of side effects. So be sure to consult your practitioner or your medical doctor when you're trying to take St. John's wort. Number 2 is Valerian root. This herb is really fantastic to sleep with, to help with sleep disorders associated with chronic fatigue syndrome, because again, lots of women who suffer with chronic fatigue syndrome do have problems sleeping. So this is a great herb, Valerian root, okay? And then we have Maca root. This is actually one of my favorites. It's very, I don't know what to say it's really like, but it's kind of like a root food, like potato. I think it's like a starch type of root herb that comes from Peru, and it is not only does it work to balance women's hormones very well, it also helps boost their energy. And this is something that a lot of people with chronic fatigue syndrome suffer with, because this root is actually filled with a lot of vitamin B, and it also helps enhance or support the adrenals and the pituitary glands. So that's definitely another herb to consider. And then we're going to talk about ashwagandha. This is actually a very, very popular herb that can actually be used. It's used in Ayurveda medicine. And a lot of Ayurveda practitioners use this for their chronic fatigue syndrome patients. So this also helps with the buildup of toxins in the body. So very good herb to learn and know. It helps with vitality, it helps with energy, and restores a lot of the body's neurological imbalances. Okay, so ashwagandha is that one. And then we'll talk about skullcap. This herb is really great, again, for anxiety, for sleep problems, and triggers around your stress. So this is really great herb to know. This comes in capsule, it comes in tincture. It also comes, I think, in a tea. So you can actually drink it as a tea. It helps with reducing stress in the body, and also in healing, a powerful healing herb for sleep, like I had mentioned. So again, let's go into, again, 5 powerful herbs to really help with chronic fatigue. St. John's wort and valerian root is another. Maca root, like this root is from Peru, and it's a very popular herb for a wide variety of things that can actually help for women's conditions. And ashwagandha and skullcap. Okay, so thanks so much for listening. This was a very short video, but I have other videos. Go ahead and check them out, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell to get notified every time I have another video coming out. Thanks so much, and take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.